Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good Monday and a right fine start to a new week. Before we get off in this video, I'd like to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, I thank y'all for coming back. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, it is in the upper 50s right now, cloudy. Sun hasn't been out pretty much all day today, but that's okay. It looks like we're gonna have a little warming trend, may get up into the 70s towards the end of the week. Who knows? Dan, where have you been the last couple of 3 days? Well, in short, I've been working. Give me a second, I'm fitting to show you and y'all what I've been doing. All right, brothers and sisters, Lord have mercy, this weekend, Skylar and I done got after it. I mean, we sure enough got after it. Let me show you this. Well, you remember that big old 10-foot burn pile that I had sitting behind my 16-foot raised beds? Well, look at there. It ain't there no more. I still have a little bit of wood and stuff that I need to burn, but the majority of the burn pile is gone, and I'm standing up on a hill. Let's see if we can't walk around and I'll show you what it looked like on the downside of the hill. So this burn pile behind me, like I said, it had to be at least a good 10 foot tall. And that's pretty much what we do here in East Central Mississippi. A lot of folks do this. They just pile up all of their rubbish, wood, brush, stuff like that. They pile it up in a big pile and they burn it. But my main concern was, if I burnt this pile, would it get out of control? Because everything is dry now. We've been getting rain, but it's still really dry. So lo and behold, what I found out is Skylar's uncle is actually a volunteer fireman. At one point in time, he was the assistant volunteer fire chief in my area for a long time. So I got in touch with him and I was like, is there any way that you could bring out your pumper truck, a fire truck, and I'm gonna set this pile on fire, and can you just stand by with the truck, with the hose? I think that truck carries, I don't know, 12,000 gallons of water. It's just a lot of water. I was like, I can do that. I got some video, let me show you.
What happened was that tire washed away. Water goes that way.
True blue collars. The rabbits have ate everything. The rabbits just eating everything over here. 12 years, 10, 11 years I've been over here. Never had a problem with rabbits. Never getting in the garden. Just never. Had a few deer get off in the earth bed garden that I had planned over yonder, but never in the raised beds. Look at here. Gone. Everything. Everything is just ate down. Well, except some of my collards and my broccoli and my Napa cabbage. Dan, what you waiting on putting the chicken wire down? I don't have the time. I may have to work on it this week, maybe. Lord have mercy, we just been showing up busy. Yeah, I actually have to go purchase the chicken wire. May throw some chicken wire around it. I've almost come to, and be honest with you, chicken wire is expensive over here in Mississippi. It's almost cheaper for me to go and buy a couple of pieces of this cattle panel, cut it in half, and just put a 2-foot perimeter around my miniature penitentiary over here at my home in sticks. That's something I may have to ponder on too as well. I don't know, we'll have to see. It's a little update on the garden. Yeah, a bunch of it's gone, but that's okay. We are going to be thankful for what the few things that we can get out of it here in the wintertime, and we'll have to adjust fire and do things a little bit differently next year. Again, never really had any problems with rabbits, but they're wreaking havoc over here. Yeah, it just eating everything. Let me show you something else we worked on over the weekend. Hot water. Plumbed in 3/4 inch PEX. Hot water. Yes, we finally got the hot water heater installed in the bathroom over here at my shop. Skylar and I actually got after it Saturday and into Sunday. Did all the plumbing, ran a lot of PEX pipe. I think I'm gonna get away from using PVC. But I'm here to tell you, if you do the plumbing thing, and old Dan's not a plumber by any means whatsoever, I understand the basics behind it. But PEX is a little bit more expensive on the to start off with, but in the long run, it's from what I understand, and believe it or not, my whole shack over there is ran in nothing but PEX pipe, and it just lasts a long time. PEX pipe. Here's some PEX pipe right here by a little faucet I have. This is PEX pipe right here. And yeah, I know it's white. I normally keep it covered up. I just didn't have any blue or red PEX pipe, but I keep it covered up. Cool thing about PEX pipe is if there's water in a line and you get a freeze, that PEX pipe will swell up. And once it warms up, it'll shrink down. No busted pipes. I have a buddy of mine that lives in the county over from me. He is a master plumber, and I've been talking to him about it. He's like, man, you can't go wrong with PEX pipe. I run PEX on everything that I have over here at my place. So, ran the PEX pipe for the hot water. We actually have hot water in the shop. It's been 4 or 5 months since I was actually able to get everything put together and installed, but we have it now. So, this weekend, I've been working on that. Lord of mercy, it is always something. Always got something to do over here, sure enough. So y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a little update as far as what's going on over here at the homestead / home place, home in the sticks. Lord, we've been working. Just really didn't have the time to whip out the cameras and get everything set up and film what we were doing. But of course, the end product I'll show y'all. Lord of mercy, if I get into another big project, I may get the cameras out. But you and y'all know how it is. It's just, you got to get after it. We just said Saturday morning, we're going to run the piping for the hot water heater. We're going to get the hot water heater wired into the breaker box. We just got to get it done. And we also burned that huge big butt burn pile. I don't think I'm ever gonna let that burn pile ever get that high again. It was just amazing how big the fire was. I'm gonna say I hope everybody is having a sure enough good Monday. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, even when you got tons of things to do at the homestead / home place. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.